Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to solve a Leetcode question number 409, longest palindrome. Given a string S which consists of lowercase or uppercase letters. Return the length of the longest palindrome that can be built with those letters. Letters are case sensitive. For example, capital A and small a is not considered as a palindrome. So first of all, what is meant by palindrome? A palindrome is a number in which if we read from left to right and right to left, it will be same. Just take for example, madam. If we read in this direction, it is same. If we read in this direction, it is also same. So it is called as a palindrome. Now they are asking us to find the longest possible palindrome that can be formed from the given question. So let us take this question. I can see all the permutation. I can say all the permutation. I'm just generating all the permutation, then checking whether it is palindrome. Then checking this is palindrome, anything is palindrome. And if it is palindrome, okay, I can say which is the longest palindrome. I again check for which is the longest palindrome and just return it. So it is like slightly like a permutation and also a combo. So whenever a word comes like permutation or combinations like that, we can we can optimize it by using the DP approach or 3D approach. Yes, we can optimize by using the DP approach or 3D approach. Let us first discuss with the 3D approach. Okay, whether they are asking us to print any words or any palindromic word. No, right? They're asking us to just give the count. In greedy, it is so mandatory that you don't want to do anything except the relevant output. Just focus on the relevant output. Don't focus on the just creating the answers. Okay. Now just observe here. It is AB, CCC, DD. By using this, we can construct DCCA, CCD, whose length is 7. So my output is 7. This is the longest possible palindrome I can construct. I can also construct CCCC or AB, no, A, C, C, here D and here D. And then also I can create like DCACD like this. Okay, but still this is what 4, this is what 5, but still 7 is the larger. So this is what they have asked from us. Okay, so first of all, as we know some of the rules, right? First rule, for a palindrome I can say if a number is in a even count, if the number is in the even count, I can easily form a palindrome. If there is a which is of 4, okay, a's count is 4, I can easily form a which is palindrome. Again, for odd count, listen carefully, a is 5, then a, it is palindrome. It is palindrome. Okay, this is for the first scenario. Let us take another scenario. The second scenario, if even count occurs for two elements, that is a occurs 4 times and b occurs 4 times, then I can say just put a b and then again a palindrome. But but for odd count, for odd count, a is 4 and b is 3, sorry, a is 3 and b is 3, a BBBA is a palindrome. No, we can only construct like ABBBA or BAAAB. From this, I want to say you that if a string can be divided into two, so that this also a palindrome, this also this and this are same, I can say it as a palindrome. And from here, I can split into two equal parts and say this is a palindrome. Okay, this is This is a basic definition of palindrome. Now, combine these all approaches, I can say if it is odd count, I can directly add to the result. Just directly add to the result. Okay. Sorry, if it is an even count. Okay. If it is an odd count, what should I do? If it is an odd count, what should I do? See here. Here, A occurs 3 times and also B occurs 3 times. But we took only 2A. We took only 2A, but we have taken what? 3B. So we can take any one of the odd numbers full count and remaining odd numbers only what? Even count. So whenever there is an odd number occurs, we want to take result as the odd count minus 1 because the immediate even number will comes after before the odd. Okay. So this is my observation. Now by observing this, take example again. The first example. What is the first example? A, B, 4C and 2D. A, B, 4C and 2D. So this is my first example. From this example, I can say A occurs 1 time, B occurs 1 time, C occurs 4 times, D occurs 2 times. So I already told you, just take the even count. So result will be what? 6. And then don't take the odd count, just take the odd count minus 1. So odd count minus 1 will be what? 0 and 0. So plus 0 plus 0. But whether my output is 6? No, it is 7. Why? Because we can also place an odd number where in between two even counts. So I can place how? In between two even counts, that is, if I place CC, I can place a B here or a 3B here, which means by leaving this and this are same or symmetrical by mirror in a mirror image, right? So I can say that I want to take the odd count minus 1 in every iteration. If there occurs any odd, I want to plus 1, right? So if you still don't understand this question, I just illustrate with the code. You will understand why I am saying like that. See here, D is equal to a dictionary, then R equal to result is equal to 0. Just I am initializing for I and S. Just I am putting into this hash map. Okay, into this dictionary. Fine. Now for I in D dot keys of, if the count of that element is even, what I have told you, just take it. Just take it. If the count is odd, just take the count to minus 1 and make the odd as 1 because we are just using the odd as a flag variable to denote whether there is a odd number occurred or not. Why? Because we can place the odd number in between so that I can place one element in between two even count element. Okay, that's why if odd, return result plus 1, else I can return just result. This is my code. Let me submit it. See here. Yes, it is submitted successfully. Now what about the time and phase complexity? I can say time complexity is n log n because log n is used for the addition and extraction from the dictionary, and n is used to traverse to every element. So what is the time complexity? The time complexity is n log n. Time complexity is O of n log n. Fine. And then what is the space complexity? It is O of n because we are using the dictionary. So this is the time complexity and space complexity. Thank you.